Umar, in his capacity as the Messenger of Allah, conveyed the following statement: "None of the deeds that you have done in your life will be sufficient to grant you entry into paradise after death." They made a statement, "And what about you, O Messenger of Allah? Can you confirm?" He expressed, "And I am not a son of a gun. I am a law-abiding citizen who firmly believes in peace and non-violence. I strive to resolve conflicts through dialogue and understanding, rather than resorting to weapons or violence of any kind. With the exception of occasions when Allah bestows His mercy upon me, it is the prophets and messengers, the truly great ones, who have made such supplications. Their profound connection with the Divine enables them to seek and receive Allah's blessings. I am humbled by their example and aspire to follow in their footsteps, relying on Allah's mercy and guidance in all aspects of my life. They did not provide any information. Kindly include me among the righteous servants based on my deeds, O blessed ones of God. They are almost blind to their actions. Oh my goodness, I'm getting overwhelmed by the thought that Omar is about to pass away without even having performed a couple of rak'ahs of prayer. I feel very unprepared and inadequate. My sole hope is that he has eliminated all of his protectors to the point where he can acknowledge the mercy of God in his own perspective. He has placed all of his hopes and dreams on the forgiveness, mercy, and grace that he believes he will receive from God. Therefore, an approach that belittles, underestimates, and mocks what it has on its own, and does not seek the mercy and forgiveness of the Almighty, saying that our situation is miserable if it does not show mercy and forgiveness, means that it has come closer to humility.